Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on their PT-9500PC or PT-9600 label printer, the SKKSource AC Power Adapter Charger. This isn't just any replacement. It's presented as a high-quality, brand-new alternative designed to keep those label printers running smoothly. One of the first things that stands out about this SKKSource adapter is its strong emphasis on safety. The manufacturer has clearly prioritized user protection, incorporating multiple smart features. This charger is built to safeguard against incorrect voltage, short circuits, and internal overheating, which are crucial considerations for any electronic device. Furthermore, it comes with certifications like CE and FCC, providing an extra layer of assurance regarding its compliance with safety standards. For anyone concerned about the longevity and safety of their valuable label printer, these features offer significant peace of mind. In terms of power specifications, this adapter boasts a versatile input voltage range of 140 V. This wide range means it's suitable for use in various regions, making it a convenient option for users who might travel or operate in different electrical environments. It's a wall mount type, which is practical for keeping workspaces tidy and organized. Now, it's important to note that this SKKSource adapter is a brand new replacement unit, not an OEM product. However, the brand highlights its high quality, emphasizing that it has never been used and is built to perform. The power supply itself is described as having sufficient power, and it has undergone rigorous aging tests to ensure its reliability over time. A key component contributing to its durability is the use of high-quality copper core wire. This material choice is significant because it makes the wire less prone to breaking, effectively extending the overall life of the power supply. This attention to detail in material selection suggests a product designed for endurance. Before making a purchase, it's always a good practice, and the brand itself advises, to double-check the model of your device to ensure perfect compatibility. This small step can save a lot of hassle. The SKKSource team also encourages customers to reach out with any questions or concerns, indicating a commitment to customer support. Overall, for PT-9500PC and PT-9600 label printer owners in need of a reliable and safe power solution, this SKKSource AC Power Adapter Charger appears to be a very compelling option. Its focus on safety, robust build quality with copper core wiring, and versatile input voltage make it a strong contender for anyone looking for a dependable replacement charger. It promises to deliver consistent power, ensuring your label printer is always ready for action.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.